When you're cleaning wheels, don't just grab some acid wheel cleaner and start scrubbing. That's how rims become stained, scratched, and ruined. And a lot of times, the only recovery is to replace them. Most of the time, you don't even need a dedicated wheel cleaner. You can get your rims cleaned by using your normal car wash soap and the correct brush. It just depends on how dirty and neglected the wheels are. Always choose and use the least aggressive product and process to get your wheels clean based upon the level of contamination. For light dirt, you can usually just use your normal car wash soap and the right brush. For traffic film or road film, an oily film that builds up on the rim, use a dedicated wheel cleaner. And for brake dust, you want to use a wheel cleaner that's specifically formulated for removing brake dust, and again, with the appropriate brush. So what about acid-based wheel cleaners? Well, to be honest, acid-based wheel cleaners should be left to the pros. They shouldn't be used by do-it-yourselfers. The reason why is because you risk permanently staining or etching the finish on the rim. And it's also a good idea to never use an acid-based wheel cleaner on satin or matte wheels, as that will permanently etch and stain them. And then the only way to fix it is to replace them. The thing I just want to stress here is always choose the least aggressive product to get your wheels clean. Visit our decision guide to get our full wheel cleaning checklist.